In this video I want to show you how to remove the front seats of your Honda Pilot. I'll do the passenger seat, but it's the same thing on the driver's seat. So to remove them, first let's go in the front, and we need to remove these plastic trim pieces. Okay, they're clipped. Okay, usually they're like this. You simply need to detach them, maybe with a screwdriver. Okay, they're held by clips, so it reveals the 14mm bolt. This is one of them. And if we go over here, let me remove this plastic piece over here. With the fingers it's a bit hard, I'll be honest with you. That's why I recommend a screwdriver. Here we go. Okay, I remove it. And this is the other 14mm bolt. You will need a ratchet or a type of socket to remove these. Here we go. Don't lose these. And this is another one. There's two more on the back. So you're going to put the seat forward. Okay. This is the back. It's pretty messy. All right, you'll need to remove this plastic trim the same way I did in the front. All right, and this one as well, because it will unveil those 14mm sockets. Okay, great. Now to remove the seat, I suggest you flip it. Okay, push on the backrest, go under over here, and you're gonna notice this is the connector, and we need to disconnect the seat from the car. So over here we have this first white connector, and to disconnect it, you see there's a button you need to press here, a latch. It's a bit hard, okay, with one hand holding the phone, but you see this is where you need to press and to pull at the same time. With this yellow one, this is a safety harness. You need to bring back this black piece, okay, bring it back and pull. Now the seat is completely detached from the car. You may also find some coins if you're lucky. Is the seat belt. If you remove this cap, okay, you'll need to detach the seat belt over there with the 14mm socket as well. Just like that. And now you can simply take the seat out. Now it's a bit hard with one hand. Obviously two people at the same time will be much better, but overall one takes over here, the other one can stay in the car and simply lift the seat so it does not scratch the bodywork. So this is it. This is how you take the seat out of your Honda Pilot. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.